Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Uncharted 4 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable hints and tutorials. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uncharted 4 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options in order to make changes. From here, click on Game, and now you can change the difficulty settings as well as various other options within your game. Now, if you make any changes to the challenge level option, it will not disable hints and tutorials. In order to do so, you will simply need to turn off game hints as well as tutorials by using the left and right arrow. Once you have turned them off, you may simply go back and your changes will have been saved. After this, whether it be continued from your old save, a new game, or if you have chosen a chapter or encounter to play, the hints and tutorials will now be disabled, and you will have to figure out the various puzzles on your own. You can change this setting at any point of time by once again going back to the game options and turning on game hints and tutorials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable tutorials and hints within the Uncharted 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.